there had been arbitrary dumping of refuse into waterways and gutters all over the place. Street trading are on increase, and on-road parking are multiplying every day. Building on floodplains and blockage of waterways, building under high tensions, all these are going on pari passu. Encroachment on planning setbacks and government acquisitions. Some people are so bold to the extent of reacquiring the already acquired lands of the state government, and they are deliberately building on them. Many are also building on the 500 setback that they call development areas all along the rail lines and the circular roads. All these are the issues that the governor raised with us, and he said we should meet with the director of town planning across the state. The three of you are seated here listening to this, and our people out there are also listening.